Hey, how's it going, guys? It's Ian here, back with another video. And today I made a short little coffee video for you guys. I've been sick with the flu, so this is something I could do in my free time. And I'm going to show you how to make this coffee. So we're going to start off with wetting the coffee filter. And we're going to make sure it's nice and hot. And today's coffee we're going to be using is an Ethiopian coffee from Bedrock Coffee. It was roasted today, December 21st. And yeah, it's very fresh. So we're going to get the scale on, and we're going to dump 15 grams of our Ethiopian coffee in there. Then we're going to give it a shake. And level out the bed. There's our chopstick for the Cubani bloom method we're going to be using. You're going to be moving the stick in 360-degree rotation one time. It will make this spiral looking thing. Then we're going to do our bloom, and you're going to do 30 grams of water for 45 seconds. You're going to give that a swirl as well. Then we're going in for our second pour here, and we're going to go until 125 grams of water. Again, let's give that a swirl. And now we're going in for our third and final pour. Look at that. 250 grams of water done. And let that drain. There you go, guys. Your coffee is done. This coffee was roasted today, so the flavors are still a little bit too fresh to be able to get anything out of there, but it was very good. It was very light floral, and I could definitely taste the lemon and fruit in there. So, with all that said, have a great rest of your day, guys. Please like and subscribe, and have a great rest of your day, guys.